Hey everybody, it is your girl, Coach Cheryl, and welcome back to the 5-Minute Masterclass. In this series, we've been talking all things Ecamm Live, quick tutorials to help you maximize and up-level your live streaming. And so today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can use your phone as a camera source in Ecamm Live. So stay tuned, stay locked. We only got 5 minutes. Let's get into the video. So many people have been asking about how to add another camera source that's, cost effective. But if you have an iPhone, you're already ready to pair this with your Ecamm Live, and you'll only need a very inexpensive app called Shoot. Now don't worry, it's really inexpensive. It's under $20, and I'll put the link in the description box to where you can grab that app. I use this at live events all the time when I need another camera angle. So we're going to jump into how you can actually connect this phone as a camera source, not just show what's on the screen, but a camera source, clear feed, nothing else but what you want to see in just a moment. So let's jump in. So here we are in the lab, and all you need to connect your phone to Ecamm for a live streaming source is a cable, lightning cable, which we all know is getting ready to go away with the new iPhones, but it's still here now. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to connect my trusty phone and then take the other end of the cord and connect it to my computer, and we'll see it jump in as a camera source. And so now you see the iPhone is connected, but it's connected as a phone. We don't want to do that, so we'll scroll on over to the app Shoot. And we'll open that up and you'll see it says Shoot. Voila, look at there, a clean feed right from your camera. And so that's what you want. You can see right now I have it in portrait mode, but if we're going to be doing like a live stream regularly, we're going to actually want to turn that and get my fingers out the way, because remember, it's using the back camera. And so if I click on it, it gives me settings so I can actually change this. And so voila, there you have it. You can see that the feed from your phone is a clean, direct feed. You can do front facing or you can do rear facing, although we always suggest doing rear facing because rear facing is the best camera on your iPhones and you'll be able to get that direct feed. And so some of you may be saying, well, Cheryl, why do we need another camera source? Why are we using our phones? For people that want to have more than one camera source, you want to have more than one view. Say you want to have a view of the pastor, then you want to have a view of the congregation, then you want to have a view of the band. Or if you are a solopreneur and you're doing live streams and you want to have a view from the side, hey, or you want to have a view from the front, then you can actually do that. So I can go from this side camera where I'm talking to you here, then I can go to my main camera. I can switch back and forth during my broadcast, so it gives a little extra dimension, a little extra or whatever. Or let's say you actually have some kind of service where you need to show what you're doing, where you need to show your hands doing something. I can just simply take this camera off of the tripod, and let's say I want to be able to show you what I'm doing on my keyboard. I can actually just look down at my keyboard. Let's see, and I'm fixing it so you can see it. And I can just change views. And now you can see what I'm typing, or if I'm doing some kind of craft, I can show you what I'm crafting. I can actually show you what I am doing while I am doing it, and it just offers so much flexibility. And the beauty about being able to do it this way, using your camera instead of doing NDI, which we know that is, over Wi-Fi, is this is a stable source. This is not going to flicker out on you. It's not going to buffer. This is a wired connection, so you don't have to worry about whether Wi-Fi is going to make it drop out or how that's going to affect it. So this is how you use your phone as a camera. And with the way that cameras are being actually advanced so much, there's so much flexibility, There is so many more improvements. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to add different camera angles to your live stream, to your church service, to your nonprofit event, a camera is often the least expensive way to go. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have been having a blast doing this 5-minute masterclass on Ecamm Live. And if you've missed any of our previous videos, be sure to check the list here. Yes, this playlist that has all of the other ones that we've done. 5-minute quick learning tips just for you. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. But if you haven't already liked this video and subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and do that before you check out these videos.